Oh! Ella, I fixed it! Oh, God! Everybody come out quick! Look at the lights!
Alright guys, so in this video, something I've been working on is installing lighting. You know, I moved, and this garage only had 2 light bulb sockets right here, and I put these LED light panels, which helped, but there was a lot of shadows. So I was going to hold off on putting lighting, but you know what? Doing video, you need a lot of light, and I don't like shadows, so I like a lot of light. In my old garage, I had 100,000 lumens. I had 44 tubes. It was an insane amount of light. So I wanted some light in here so I can see what I'm doing and get good video quality for you guys. So anyway, I hung up 9 2-bulb fixtures. And what I did is I bought the housings separately, meaning no bulbs, ready for LEDs. And then I like that because then you can select what tubes you want to put in here. I don't like the fixtures that have the LEDs integrated, and if it burns out, then you got to replace the whole fixture. That's stupid. So, oh, can you hear that V6 Camaro? That guy, it must be lunchtime at the high school. That guy cruises every day. Anyway, so we got 9 lights up here, and what's to say about this, man? I mean, I didn't want to do a video on this. I've done a video on lighting, so I'll put an iCard in the upper right. Check that video out. It shows you how to convert fixtures and some wiring details. But anyway, what I did is I planned this out in CAD a little bit so that way I can get the spacing correct and whatnot. And basically I am like 3 or 4 feet? I'm about 3 feet from the walls and 2 feet between the fixtures here. And then of course I couldn't put these exactly in the center because of the track. So I had to pick one side or the other, and then, you know, obviously the garage door opener there. Over here you can see I got 2 close to each other, but this is a very, this is an area where I work a lot, right? You got the workbench, so I wanted it well lit. And then also the toolbox and the computer, so that's that. The only spot that may require more light is something up here. Maybe I'll pop in another fixture over here, but actually it's okay. But you know, if I want to get crazy, I can do that. And you know, adding another one's pretty easy because I did all the hard work. I can just pigtail off one of these and get it done. So anyway, that's a quick update on here. I mean, this was a pain in the ass because I had to go in the attic up and down, and I put in boxes and whatnot, so that was fun. But yeah, dude, it's pretty bright in here. So that's that. As far as electrical, so these are the 2 switches. This here controls everything that's not under the door. So you can see these 3 here I have on a separate switch. So if you open the door, garage door, you know, it's going to be hidden. So you might as well turn them off, and then you can turn these 6 on. Okay, and plus those LED panels, I might as well just leave those in. So that's how I wired it, just 2 switches. Makes sense. And then I don't know if you remember this, I had to redo a lot of electrical here. So anyway, that was fun. So, but yeah, all the, you know, you saw me do that conduit bending video. I'm still working on the wiring video just to give you an update. I got a bunch of outlets everywhere. We got the lighting, and then so forth. So just a little update on the garage, man. It's coming along. You know, I got cabinets up, got shelves up, got the Unistrut rack up here, which has a lot of stuff. So I mean, you know, I got a bunch of junk here, but I gotta, you know, I could clean it up a little bit, and it's ready for the next project, which I'll have to talk about in our next video. I I got to start on a project now that I'm, mainly set up. So anyway, quick update. Got some lighting, so I'll be ready to work on something soon.